Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Reefs. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how much I actually got paid for getting 9 million views on YouTube Shorts. I'm going to be going over specifically how I went viral, how I kept up my views, and how much YouTube actually paid me per 1,000 views that I got on Shorts. If you guys don't know what YouTube Shorts is, basically it's a competitor to TikTok that YouTube launched a few months ago, trying to compete with these short-term form of content. And basically I saw this, I jumped on it, I wanted to see, what it was like, because I have done TikTok in the past and I was successful with it, so I thought maybe I could be successful with Shorts as well, and also see what type of revenue that they could produce, since there was rumors back then about having a creator fund, and now it finally got launched. And after the first week of August, they basically told me how much I was going to make for that prior month, for the first time ever. Making Shorts was really fun, and I didn't really even expect to get paid. I just wanted to do it for fun. And if you're wondering what kind of niche I was doing airsoft. It's one of my hobbies. For most people, if they want to make content on YouTube, I would suggest when you do make content on YouTube that you make it about something that you actually enjoy. So I was just making airsoft shorts, which if you don't know what airsoft is basically like paintball, but it shoots those plastic little BBs. And basically I was trying to make viral videos on Shorts with that niche, and it ended up working out, and I actually got 9 million views in my first month. Now, another thing about Shorts is you don't actually have to be a part of the YouTube partner program to get paid by Shorts. Normally for YouTube you have to have 1,000 subscribers, no active community strikes, and 4,000 hours of watch time to actually get into the AdSense program, and that's if you get accepted, and then you will get paid based on how many views you get per month. But for Shorts, you don't actually have to get 4,000 hours of watch time, 1,000 subs, or anything really. You can just post up on Shorts, and if your video goes viral or any views at all, you will get paid for that as well. So that's a really big benefit about Shorts, is you actually don't have to be a part of the YouTube partner program to get paid. One of the downsides I've found though is actually one of my videos got striked for harmful content. I appealed it and the strike got appealed, but they are able to still strike your videos the same way that they would strike a regular video. And when I got strike, it actually kicked me so far out of the algorithm. Normally I get like 300,000 real time on that channel, but they really kicked me out of the algorithm, and I went from getting 8,000 views per 60 minutes to almost zero basically. So that was really weird when that happened, and that really scares me for the future, but I'm not sure why that happened or anything, or why I even got a strike in the first place. So I'll play the clip right now and you guys can see what I got a strike for. 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm gonna pop up on the screen some of the viral videos that I got while making these shorts. As you guys can see, they were very clickable titles, really viral moments, just like my same strategies that I would use on Instagram or TikTok, and they seem to work the exact same on YouTube. It's mostly based on watch time and engagement, and so people would play the videos over and over again because they were so short that they would keep getting recommended over and over to different audiences, and it seems to be very consistent in that sense. After looking back on all my viral videos, I understand why they went viral. There was no questions about it. They all had super high engagement and watch time, and a lot of the videos that did go viral even had over 100% watch time, meaning that most of the people watching the videos were watching it more than one time. Now here comes the big question. How much was I actually compensated for getting 9 million views in July with YouTube Shorts? So basically, I got an email the first week of August saying that I made, for 9 million views, $481. So before I got the email saying how much I was going to get paid, my guesstimate for how much I would make for that 9 million views was around $1,000 to $4,000. That was my guesstimate, but I was pretty wrong. And I'm not gonna lie, it broke my heart just a little bit. I really expected to get paid around 2,000 would be my average for 9 million, just considering I got so many views and so many comments, so much engagement, and so many watch time hours. And the other thing about Shorts is you actually don't get any watch time from those shorts towards the YouTube partner program. So I'm sitting on this channel with 26,000 subscribers, 13 million total views, and 40,000 hours in combined watch time of all the views with my shorts, not even in the YouTube partner program. And I only have 300 hours towards the YouTube partner program with 2 videos that I've posted. So with all that being said, it kind of seems a little underpaid, a little undervalued. If I could get watch time from those shorts, I think it would be worth it, but I thought I would get paid a lot more, or at least get some watch time from these shorts. It is a little disappointing though. Like for this channel, I usually get paid about $10 per 1,000 views. But with my calculations from YouTube Shorts, for every 1,000 views I get from YouTube Shorts, I'm only getting paid about 5 cents. If I were to have the same revenue per 1,000 views as I did on this channel, I would be bawling out of my mind. I know that's really different because it's a lot shorter form of content and you can't really advertise on that short form of content as well. Also, the niche does not matter with YouTube Shorts. With my niche on YouTube here on this channel, I get paid a lot more than I would if I made gaming content, just because the advertisers are willing to pay more on business-finance and like marketing type ads. It just costs more, just what it is. So my RPM on this channel is like $10, but I've had channels where the RPM is $3 and even up to $15. So to wrap it up, $481 from 9 million views. It's a little bit insane. I'll give you guys an update maybe in the comments down below when I get paid for next month. I think for this month of August, I got 4.8 million views or so. So I'll let you know if anything changes for this month. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. I would really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.